Everybody on their toes. We're going to find my children.
Where would they even have gone, sir? If I know those two, they would have gone near the river. We should probably start there. I'm coming, girls. Come on, you heard the man. Come on, guys. We gotta sniff. Come on. Sir, we're coming. Gosh. Calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. My children are missing. My daughters are missing. I don't know why you want me to calm down. Okay. We're going to find them. Don't worry. Yeah, we're going to find them. All right. Start sniffing all around the lake, okay? If you find any scent, follow it. All right? Yes, sir. Twilight, you want to come with me? Of course I do. This is great training for you also, Tempest. This will give you time to practice on your tracking skills. Yay. Alright, let's continue. With you, sir. I'm still gotta. I don't know what I'm going to do if I can't find them. This is all my fault. I knew I shouldn't have let them run off. They're pups. They need to have some freedom. Not to the point where they're disappearing off the face of the earth. They're probably still nearby. Might as well get a drink of water while I'm at it. Clear my head. True. Yeah, that's good water. Now I gotta get sniffing. Come on, Summit. Would you hurry up, please? I'm going as fast as I frickin' can. Stop yelling at me. I didn't even yell. Okay, remember what we talked about tracking? Stop lecturing me. I know how to do it, you know. I'm getting rather tired of your attitude, Tempest. Well, I'm really tired of you parenting me. Don't understand. This is ridiculous. Just leave me alone. I can do it on my own. I'm almost a full-fledged defender/hunter, okay? You have quite the attitude, young lady. Alright? What does it matter? You're not my real dad. Like I just said, I'm almost able to go on my own. Like, why can't you just stay out of my face for 5 seconds? Because I adopted you! And that should mean something. Whatever, I didn't need you now. I don't need you ever. Why did I think? Akira, what the heck do you want me to do about her? Thought so. Quit saying I'm not your real father. You know I am. No, you're not. Just my stepfather. Listen, Tempest, look at me. Why? I don't think you understand. But I loved your mother, alright? I loved her more than anything. And I loved you like you were my own daughter. I can only ask if you could please do the same. Your mother and I would have wanted us to get along. Please? I told you you're not my real dad. I don't think you realize, but your father abandoned you and your mother. Only one there for you two. I raised you like my own. All I can ask is that we can just please get along. Whatever. I would have known children would be so difficult. Ah! Whoa! Oh, that was fun. We gotta get to work, dear. I know. It's so nice to finally have a new home. There's food, there's clean water, and there's nothing dangerous. Sorry, I just heard like a big bee. And I was like, where the heck is that coming from? Funny. Alright, we gotta get sniffing. There's like branches and stuff everywhere. Yeah. Get out of the water, you nut. I'm sniffing around the bank. And I can't find anything. And if they were gone hours ago, the scent would have already been washed away by the water and the mud. You think there's any hope we'll find them? I hope so. Our alpha is pretty upset, and our alphas. Come on, let's keep going further up the river. Makes sense. Okay. There's nothing. Nothing! Come on. Alpha's calling. Let's go. Sir, what's the matter? We're leaving. Come on. Come on, guys. Arctic, come on, wake up. What? Oh. It was just a dream. You dreamed we were home, didn't you? Yeah. Well, no time like the present. Let's go. When did you become so optimistic? I didn't. I'm just trying to stay hopeful. That's all we can really do. Yeah, you got a point. Hey, maybe we can survive on our own. Yeah, maybe we can hunt our own food. Yeah, I'm starving. Well, do you want to try? Yeah, we've seen others do it. Maybe we can figure it out. Just maybe. That's true. Come on, let's go this way then. Whatever. This place is so wet. Agreed. Where even are we? We're not even near our territory. We're in some weird forest. It looks like it's dead. Just creepy. I don't know. I don't have the words to describe it. Yeah, neither do I. And it's slanted. And there's bugs everywhere. Maybe we can go to, maybe there's something down by the water. Good idea. Come on. I don't see anything. Neither do I. Ugh. Gross. This is the dumbest idea I've ever had. What the heck? You can't even swim! Doing? Oh god, this is a bad idea. You're gonna kill yourself! Get out! Oh my god, I'm okay. Oh my god, are you okay? That was awesome. You could have died. We don't know these waters. You don't know what could have been in there. But am I here? Yes. Then I'm okay. The water felt great, though. Oh my gosh, can you just be more careful, please? My little sister. Well, younger sister. Maybe there's something down. This is getting ridiculous. We haven't found anything. Not anything. Look. Gosh, a rabbit! This is easy! It shouldn't be that hard. Alright, now we just need the element of surprise. Alright, I'll go for the head, you go for the back. Because I'm faster, you know. Seems fair. Ready? Ready? Come on! Come on! Get into that bush. What was that noise? You pups look lost. Who's up there? Sis, you might want to come see this. If I can get up. Whoa, what on... Are you guys lost? It's a pup. Who caught our rabbit? Hey, it's 2 of us against 1. Yeah, you better hand over that rabbit. I was intending on doing that. Just so you know. No need to be scared. I'm not going to hurt you. Come closer, I promise. You think we can trust him? Well, there's 2 of us and there's only 1 of him, so I think so. Who are you? Name's Zoltan. Zoltan, nice to meet you, but how did you catch that rabbit? I've been living out in this forest for as long as I can remember. By yourself? No, with my sister. She's up that way. I could take you to her, and maybe I can help you. Can we have some? Oh yeah, sure. Eat up. You guys look like you're starving. We've been out here for quite a while. So, where did you learn to hunt like that? My sister taught me. If you're out here all by yourself and you're a little pup, you gotta know the ways of the forest. Well, this forest, that is. What's up with this forest? We don't really know. Apparently, everybody thinks there's some dark aura here. So, you live with your sister? Yeah, we don't have a pack. Oh, sorry about that. We'll explain everything once I take you to my sister. She's probably wondering where I am. She let me go hunt on my own. She let you do that? Yeah, because there's nothing dangerous out here. Really? Not exactly. The only thing that we saw was dangerous was probably just a hawk. Well, I guess we can start going. You can take the rabbit. I can take you to my sister. Come on. We have a safer area. This place around here, not as safe. There's all kinds of stuff in that water. Also, there's a lot of creepy creatures out here. I've seen bears and sometimes even cats. Wait, you guys have a problem with cats too? Very, very rarely, only if they decide to come this far. They live way over there. Really? Yeah, and they used to come this far when they were desperate for food because this place is pretty much abundant because nothing can harm you here. Which is great for us because everybody thinks this place is cursed. So, it's good. Cool. Let me take you to her. Grab that rabbit. Come on. Should we trust him? He seems to know what he's talking about. Let's trust him. I think we should trust him. But, fine. Come on, you 2. We're coming. My sister's just right over there. Come on. Zoltan, is that you? Yeah, it's me. Hey there, little girl. Hey, Akira. I brought friends. What? What do you mean you brought friends? We got the rabbit. You brought wolf pups with you. Yep. I found them wandering around the forest. Without us, they would have died out here. Wait, we would have died? Well, you know, you guys clearly don't know how to hunt. And you're definitely younger than me. We're about 4 moons. Oh, I'm 7. Oh, well, that explains it. Well, welcome to our little base, pups. Is it just the 2 of you? Yep, just us. So you guys don't have a pack? It's a long story. Don't worry, we'll explain everything right now. Okay, first we want to know about you two. Well, I'm Huntress, I'm Arctic, and we lost our pack. How? We got separated, and we don't know where to go. Well, I don't think there's anything I can do about that. I don't have quite the nose. Yeah, Akira's nose doesn't work. That's weird. I've never heard of a wolf's nose not working. Well, now you have. So, tell me, you guys had a pack? I don't think we've seen you or smelled you around here before. Well, you obviously haven't. Oh, quiet you. Well, we just moved here not too long ago at all. We used to live way over there. Like where Zoltan showed us where those big cats were. You guys come from that land? Yes. Wow, you guys seem pretty tough. Well, we had a pack and parents. Now we've lost them. Don't worry, we can help you find your pack. But till then, I suggest you stay close. This place isn't the best at night. Trust me, it's very safe during the day. What's out at night? We don't know. We just hear this loud screeching and roaring, and we stay away from it. It doesn't come this far to the edge. It only stays deep in the forest. But it's best if you don't go near it. What about you two? Long ago, we did used to live in a pack. We had parents. We had a whole pack. But one night, big cats came. Killed everybody. I got Zoltan and myself out as quick as possible. And we ran. We never looked back. You guys are all alone, aren't you? We have no pack. Yep. We lost our mom and our dad. We lost everyone. So I've been living out here as long as I can remember with Akira. So sorry. You guys don't even have family. No one. You're so kind to let us stay. Wish we could do more. Well, I could teach you two how to hunt and defend yourselves. You could do that? Yeah, until you find your parents. Besides, I would love having some more puppies to play with. I will protect you, I promise. Till you find your pack. We have to find it soon. Our pack is probably going nuts that we're lost. Which way do you remember coming? Well, we were somewhere by the river. But I think we ran too far into the forest to find our way back. What were you running from? These 2 crazy cats. Cats? They followed you here, didn't they? What? You said there used to be cats where you used to live, right? Yeah? They must have followed you here. Oh no. Oh no. Girls, it might be too late. Too late for what? If the cats are here, they likely went after your pack. If anything, your pack is dead. No. No, they can't be. They can't be dead. It's quite possible. Any wolves that come near here have always died. They don't like this forest, though, so you're safe.
No, our pet can't be dead. Can they? It's likely, but I'm afraid your pack is doomed.
No. It can't be, can it? Maybe this was a blessing in disguise from the gods. The spirits wouldn't have let you gotten lost unless they know there was something wrong. This could have been a blessing. I'm so sorry. No, you're lying. You still have a pack. I know you do. Arctic, why would they lie about something like that? If they don't have a pack, then we probably don't have a pack. We saw how aggressive those cats were, didn't we? But our mom and dad are strong. They can't be dead. I'm gonna go look for them. No, you're not. No, I highly advise, young pup, that you stay here. It's becoming nightfall, and if you go out at nightfall, you're going to be easy pickings. Very easy pickings. Come on, everybody inside the den. I'm not going in there with you. You lie. Our parents are still alive. They have to be. Arctic, there's no chance. If you go back, you'll surely be cat food. Arctic, we can't go back. We can't go back unless we know it's safe. But we're leaving our entire pack behind. Just to keep ourselves safe. There's no chance. These cats are aggressive. They will kill anything. Besides, they said they would kill us. You two are lucky you got away. I can't. Everybody inside the den. Night is upon us. Come on, guys. We'll eat inside the den. Come on, Arctic. We have to. What troubles you, young pup? But is it true? Could our parents, could everybody really be dead? It's very likely, my dear. Very likely. Get inside the den. We'll eat in there. All right, everybody. Eat up. Are you gonna eat, sis? I'm just gonna stand out here, just to make sure everything is okay. Okay. I'll be right back. You three stay hidden. We'll be back. Does she always do this? She's very skilled.